Okay, I'm just doing a little demonstration on how to do Nuplus with yogurt. I've got a little bit of this Blue Goodness juice from the grocery store. They sell it in the refrigerated section. And you can use water or almond milk or really anything that you want. This is a mixed berry Nuplus. And we're just gonna stir that up real quick. This is great for when you really don't have time to make a smoothie. See, Nuplus needs to be watered like a seed. And Nuplus is like the concept of juicing without any of the shopping, washing, chopping, any of the work. I'm just gonna pour some of this water out really quick. Just stay there for a second. Anyway, without any of the work, and just one little scoop of yogurt here. Well, maybe 2 scoops. There we go. So see how the Nuplus has thickened? It's like the perfect consistency. I like it a little bit runnier than applesauce, or about the consistency of applesauce. And there you go. It's like, if you use this juice and you're using the plain Greek yogurt, to me it's the perfect consistency. If you use like unsweetened almond milk and you do a mixed berry or a peanut banana Nuplus or whatever flavor you choose, then just use stevia to sweeten it. This is absolutely delicious, and now it hasn't changed the consistency of my yogurt. So I hope that helps, so that you know a great way to enjoy some Nuplus in a quick meal. You can throw extra blueberries in it, throw banana in it, or anything like that that you choose to enjoy, and that's it.